outside. What is going on, peeps? It's your boy Ellis. Happy New Year to you all. My first video of the year. If you guys can remember last year, when I made that last video, I said that I needed to get my wiper blades changed, so I'm gonna go collect them now, and then go see if I can get my exhaust valve fitted. Should be lovely. Got them. Go get them fitted. As you guys know, my DIY skills are absolutely shocking, so I'm somehow going to manage to fit these wiper blades today. Probably watch a tutorial on YouTube. I'm not that bad, actually. I'm not that bad. This car needs a wash. Look how filthy she is. Oh my, I don't even get to on camera, but she is dirty. Can't even see my front number plate. Oh. Anyways, I'm going to try and get these blades fitted. Let's put my DIY skills to the test again. Hopefully I can actually do it this time. I should not put it on this, I'm going to scratch the car, ain't it? Oh, there's not a lot of working area here. That's what can do. It's just windy. Oh. Let's see how that works. Let's take this one off. Oh, look like you just pushed that button down. Out, up and out, there we go, and that looks more or less, yeah, the more or less the same, so that's good. Just slide this one back in, bam, there you go, and then you pull it out all the way, I think, just yank it, oh yeah, there we go. Oh, look at that. Oh damn, I put the wrong blade on, did it? Oh no, I didn't stand there. You can see the difference, look at that, like that's like floppy, and obviously that's still intact, and it's just a matter of pushing that one down. Hey, bam, let's see, there we go, there we go. Let's test them quickly. Apologies for the wind, it's super windy outside and cold, there's a storm apparently. 2018 DIY skills on point, done in like 2 minutes. Okay, that is a lot better. I hate those wipers being so annoying. That is so much better. I can finally see now. Wow. Task 1 complete. So now depends on how it goes, because everyone is literally ill and I've got to be babysitting everyone. So depending on how things go now, I'm gonna try to get the valve fitted, the valve control fitted on this. Oh, where is it? This is the valve, obviously. Open and close. When you open it, then you get a lot of pops and bangs. When you close it, then it's nice and civilized. And this is like the remote. See the on and off key right in there somewhere. And I just need to get that wire to the fuse box so that when I install the exhaust, I can close it, because the last thing I want is to install the exhaust. It's like super loud and then I can't close it and then I'm annoying everyone. So get that fitted first, and yeah, let's see how today goes. Okay, so before we head off again, let's choose the winner for this giveaway. I know it's a Debenham gift card. This is my last video. I tried to find why do you use that comment? I did say in my last video that after I bought it, I realized that, you know, most of you guys are car followers. I should have got like something from Halfords or something car related. But obviously you can get like colognes and whatnot from Debenhams if you want to buy your missus something, blah blah blah. So I'm sure it's not just purely female. Someone did say that in the comments, so let's just address that quickly. So let's just head over to Instagram, go on that photo that I posted, and I'm literally just going to, I got 37 comments. Yeah, I'm literally just going to go up and down and just like tap on someone, and then just like whatever name that I hold on and that comes up as reply, then yeah, okay, that one. Wait. That didn't work. Okay, I'm not gonna look. There. No, that's my name. That's me. That was my name. I tapped on that on my name because I replied to someone. That's the second time I've done that. Can't give it to myself. Come on. Okay. This dude. Hype X Bass. What? I don't know how you say that. I'm just a kid figuring out shit like everybody else. That's his caption. Yeah. So, if you're watching this video, I should say, hey bro, you want a gift card? Send me your address. Hey bro, you want the gift card? If he doesn't get back to me by the end of this video, then I'll just choose someone else. But yeah, let's get on with the day. I need to call this guy to see when I can come down and get my exhaust fitted actually. Let's do that. Not my exhaust, but the valve system.
Yes, sir.
What time are you free? What time can I come down today to get the electrics done? Oh, I need to get this start thing coded out, man. It's getting annoying. Anyways, it's the small things that really like just make things not so annoying. Like the wipers I had before, I don't know why I'm talking about wipers, but it's just like it makes a difference. Okay, so the wipers I had before, if I put them on full blast, they'll just make a annoying noise, just like whoop, 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 whoop. With these, oh my word, like you can't hear anything. Look at that, they're on full blast, and you can. Oh my word, I'm so gassed. I'm not gassed. It's just wipers, but it's just a small. I don't know. It's just a small thing. Like it's really frustrating when you can just hear it like whoop, 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 whoop. And then with that, it's just like so silent. Maybe it's just because they're brand new, and as soon as like a week passes, I start making back loads of noise. But yeah, anyway, small update. I've contacted the winner. He's sent me his address, so I'm gonna run up in his house. I swear I give myself jokes. As if I'm gonna run up in his house, you know. I'm joking, okay? Anyways, I'm gonna go get this sent off to him. I've still got to go and get my the valve system fitted. I've contacted RJ Performance, and they said that Friday is the best time to come, so I'm going to get that done on Friday. So yeah, go get these lights fitted. Go on, mate, go get these lights fitted, and then yeah, we'll see how it goes from there. You're welcome. Okay, to show you that I'm not exaggerating, look, listen to the back wipers, okay? So you can see them, listen to them. Do you hear how annoying that is? And then the front is just like so quiet. Yeah, so like you can tell, you see that that's what the front ones sound like, and that's on all the time. So I'm gonna probably get those ones. Like I don't think I need to replace them, but because of the noise, and these ones seem like quiet, so they're probably like £5 or something. So I'm gonna go get some in a minute. I won't show you me installing them. It's a bit boring.
Fast, I stopped, lab hit it, Jason. Hold up, cops passed. I stopped, lab hit it, Jason. The flows is acidic, cruising in a slow ass Civic. I got gas, hit it. Hold up, cops passed. I stopped, lab hit it, Jason. Hold up, cops passed. I stopped, lab hit it, Jason. Snake lizards, if they smell, they won't come hither, nigga. I hiss at your missus, slit her down the throat, spit her up, delicious. I'm too malicious. This will for my mistresses in distress, positions that I put them in.
So this year has definitely started off with a bang in the face. Like, I'm not gonna let it get to me, but obviously I'm just gonna keep going at it. But like, just so many things not going my way, but it's fine. It's fine. Like, I'm gonna get, it's just a phase at the moment, and I get out of it, and then everything start accelerating again. So basically, yesterday I fitted the key thing, the remote valve thing, and it opened but it wouldn't close. So I didn't know what was happening. The guy said there was no power coming back to the remote, blah blah blah. So I contacted the seller on eBay, and they sent me the manual, and basically I needed to get 2 batteries instead of 1, so 2 like tiny flat batteries instead of 1 like massive one, like decently sized one. I think that means it's to have more power or something. So got up like, okay, I'm gonna go get them today, and I can't find the remote, and that is super annoying. So I don't know if I can get another remote, and then because it's like Wi-Fi Bluetooth kind of thing, it will just like automatically like just match the same channel or something, or I'm just like annoyed, but it's just the start of the year. It's gonna get better. I just wanted to get that video out for you guys yesterday, which I didn't get to do, so I'm just gonna get it out today. Hopefully I can hopefully I find the battery somehow, because it was in my pocket. Nothing fell out of my pocket. I must have put it down and just forgot where I put it. Yeah, on other note, I haven't posted, but I'm gonna post it now. I haven't posted, I'm gonna post it now. Sorry lad, it's Thursday today, so hopefully should we get it by early next week, if not like Friday tomorrow or something. What else is there? So I posted on Instagram, that's what I was meant to say. I posted on Instagram a poll asking if I should upload a video that I made that's not car related, but it's just like memory based kind of thing. A large amount said yes, 78% said yes, and the rest said no. So I think I'll post it alongside with this video, so you don't have to watch it if you see that it's not car related. But just drop a like and just like don't bother watching it. So I'm gonna do that. Yeah, so should be uploading 2 videos like simultaneously right now. Whenever you see this one, there should be another one, but obviously, as I said, you don't have to watch that one. And then hopefully I get the key sorted out, get all that stuff sorted out, and everything should be up and running. The exhaust is meant to be fitted tomorrow, which is Friday, but I don't know at the moment. Hopefully, oh come on, let's think positive here. So as always, thank you guys for the support. I think we might be hitting 11k by the end of this month, or within this month, so that would be sick. And I will see you guys in the next one. If you had not subscribed, you don't have to subscribe. Just make sure you like and possibly share the video. That's way more appreciated. Well, subscribe, yeah, you subscribe, but if you don't want to because you don't want to see more content again, then just like the video, please. Okay, just like it, because when you like it, then obviously other people that might be willing to subscribe will get to see it. And yeah, so do all that fun stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Two shots, but then boom, bye bye in the boxy man.